So the real purpose for glass stripper is getting deep down, intense clean for your glass. This is beyond a glass cleaner. This is beyond a polish. This is gonna get you down to raw glass. So problems like road grime, aged eyebrows that people see in their cars that you cannot get off. This gets that kind of contaminants, as well as old or falling, degrading existing coatings they might have put on our glass. This will remove ceramics, this will remove sealants, this will remove any existing glass coating you have on your windshield. Invisible Glass Glass Stripper has a mild abrasive that can get down, break down those coatings, break down those detergents and contaminants, and really get down to just pure glass. Invisible Glass Glass Cleaner will clean lots of contaminants off of your glass, leaving zero residue. However, deep down dirt, or when you're driving home at 5 o'clock and you see that weird light angle kind of really get some nasty dirt, this is getting those kinds of things. So this product is a paste that you use an application sponge to really drive in a mild abrasive that's strong enough to break down contaminants and coatings, but not so much it'll scratch your glass. This product is very easy to use. Everything you need comes in this kit. So there's an application sponge and the bottle of the paste itself. You simply put a little bit of that paste on the sponge, put a little bit of pressure on there, and there's some good feedback with the applicator, and you simply, in tight circles, move and rub this paste into your glass, and you'll see, and maybe more importantly, feel those coatings and contaminants break down. So this product will strip, like we said, any residues, any coatings from your glass. Raw glass is actually very hydrophilic, which is going to introduce water sheeting. So any kind of rain or overspray is going to flatten out and make it very difficult to see, and it's going to make things flat and sheeting. You're going to want to introduce a rain repellent coating or glass ceramic after that to get your beading for visibility and improve visibility and driving safety.